Hi, thanks very much for joining me again. It's Nick Stenderford here, nickstenderford.com. This video we're going to go through what I believe are the best WordPress themes for making money online. So let's crack on. So if you're making if you're launching any sort of online business using WordPress, then you're going to love this video because it's what I believe is the best WordPress themes around for making money online. I'm going to share examples of the themes that will help your WordPress website or blog bring in more customers and make more cash. Okay, so what is a WordPress theme? A WordPress theme is basically a collection of files. It basically works in unison to produce a very good graphic interface with a unified design for a WordPress installation. In other words, it's a website design that you can buy or install pretty inexpensively or for free. All WordPress themes use PHP to pull in content from a database and HTML to style the content to the end user. Themes change the aesthetic look and feel of your website without changing the core functionality of WordPress. I've always found WordPress very easy to use, and you know, any new theme pretty easy to install as well, so it is pretty user friendly. There are two main places where you can get themes. Obviously you've got your free directories. Go to http :// it's wordpress.org/themes. And then you've got where you go for paid themes like Theme Forest, Creative Market, Mojo Themes. These are all very good ones. Different theme categories for making money online obviously include a number of different things, but a couple of things we're going to cover here. So you've got blogging, squeeze pages, so obviously where you get people to opt in, and obviously e-commerce. Now, a good blogging theme makes a good first impression to your user, and it helps your SEO. Some examples of what I believe, as I say, what I believe are good blogging themes are the three that we've got here. So you've got VideoTube. It allows you to collect, present, and share loads of videos. 7mag, which is really good for gamers, sort of a news, a magazine, ad and sort of review sites. And then you've got Pro Store, which is tailored for personal blogging. One thing to keep in mind is that a good squeeze page theme allows online marketers to basically simplify the process of making any type of changes to a squeeze page. You want to be in and out quickly, you know, especially when you're split testing. The squeeze page WordPress theme examples include Show Pro. This is a pretty good one because it's mobile friendly. It's got a responsive design, which means it basically can be viewed and used correctly by people on desktop, mobiles, or tablets. So it actually responds to whatever platform it's loaded on. Then you've got unbounced landing pages. These are clean, good modern templates with a customizable background image. Optimized press. Now, I've never used this. I used different things, in all fairness, for my squeeze pages, but I know a lot of marketers that use Optimized Press. It's a tried and true paid theme. It's been around for years. It allows you to duplicate squeeze pages quickly and easily, so you can split test a variety of pages with only one small difference. You know, so you see which elements are working. E-commerce WordPress themes transform your site into a powerful online store that you can scale and let you manage everything. Good examples of these e-commerce sites are Online Sale. Again, this is a responsive WordPress e-commerce theme that's a great start. It's got really good features, pretty much to run your own e-commerce business. Moving on, sorry. WooCommerce responsive theme. Again, this is a perfect shopping cart solution for sort of fashion accessories, jewelry, digital devices. It allows you to add loads of photos and stuff, so that's pretty good. And then you've got El Grand, and this theme has 7 different layouts that you can use for your e-commerce websites, which is great if you like to, you know, if you like to sort of like do a lot of variety-based stuff. Your choice of theme is very important to the effectiveness of your sales funnel. Content clearly should be presented correctly so your audience absorbs your marketing message in its fullest. Most people simply pack their blogs or websites with unnecessary stuff that usually serves no specific purpose other than to clutter the overall design, and it just basically lowers the visitor attention span and your conversion rate. You know, people just bounce straight off it because they just can't see what's going on. Okay, so that's why it's crucial when choosing a theme for your online money-making venture. You pick one that keeps content neat, structured, and visually appealing. After all, you only have a few seconds to get the attention of your prospect. Okay, so if you'd like to learn any more about making any aspect actually of making money online, click subscribe on this YouTube channel, because there will be more videos coming. There's already a few on there. But lovely to have you here again. Thank you very, very much indeed. If there's anything that you need, please don't forget, as I say, subscribe here. You can like my Facebook page, or go to www.nickstenterford.com. Take care.